Indian Railways will be converting 5,000 coaches all over the country into isolation wards to battle the Covid-19 threat.
Out of the target of 473 coaches given to Southern Railway, the locomotive workshop at Perambur will be converting 53 coaches into isolation wards, the work for which is going on.
Indian Railway is effectively utilizing its resources during this lockdown period across the nation, and the work of making isolation wards out of rail coaches is shared by Southern Railway. The selected coaches are being transformed into isolation wards by dismantling some of the berths to make space and making modifications in the design so that each bay becomes an isolation cell.
Apart from the work of creating isolation wards by modifying the coaches, in many workshops, Southern Railway has been helping Indian Railways to supplement the essential medical supply of masks and sanitizers by making them indigenously in various workshops and coaching depots.
Along with the locomotive works, the carriage and wagon works located in Perambur, Chennai, has also been tasked with converting 110 coaches into isolation wards. The ladders have been removed to make it more spacious and comfortable. These isolation wards are meant to help the persons recover from their illness, and they can go home from here after recovery.
These isolation wards will effectively quarantine the COVID-19 positive patients. This is Indian Railways' contribution to the threat that is facing the country today.
Apart from the Loco Workshop, Carriage and Wagon Workshop in Perambur and Golden Rock Workshop in Tiruchirappalli, all the 6 divisions of Southern Railway have been given targets to complete the work of making these special isolation ward coaches.
These coaches will be stationed wherever it is needed to quarantine the COVID-19 patients.
Let us hear what one of the officials at the Perambur Carriage and Wagon Workshop says about the work.
I am R. Ganesan, AWM Carriage Works Perambur. Railway Board asked us, Southern Railway to do 473 COVID-19 coaches. In that, Southern Railway asked Carriage Works to do 110 coaches. In the coaches, all the middle berths we are taking out, and out of 4 toilets, 1 toilet we are converting into bathing room. In that bathing room we are providing bucket and mug and other things. The cabin adjacent to the bathing room will be used for the paramedics to keep their medical equipment. So we have made arrangement to keep the 2 oxygen cylinders. We made frame and other things, and in addition to that, inside, other than this, inside 8 cabins will be there. In that, 8 patients can be accommodated. Inside the cabins, in all cabins we have provided additional bottle holders and additional coat hooks, and all cabin will have the charging facilities for mobile and laptops that will be in working order. In addition to that, all windows will be provided with mosquito net.